Hi guys, Eric here from Velozo. Today we're going to have a quick look at the Kurono Tokyo Seiji. The Seiji, compared to the other releases, had a more controversial release. The watch was meant to prioritize movement collectors. It can either be by submitting their expression of interest or being nominated by their partners. Long story short, people got angry and the Kurono Tokyo team had to modify the rules. I was lucky to be one of the selected ones. As seen in my unboxing video, the Seiji is a better watch than the Toki. This is because it has the same lacquer dial as the Mori, which the Toki lacks. The Seiji is a 500-piece release in a celadon-like blue-green lacquer dial in the iconic 37mm case. The color was hand-mixed by Hajime Sensei back in 2020, making this a bit earlier than the Toki in the development. This is the second time that Kurono Tokyo has used a lacquer dial in a watch, but this time it's paired with a white strap. The final product is a fresher, more youthful, and a slightly edgier watch than the earlier releases. Similar to the previous releases, the watch is powered by a Miyota 90S5 movement. It has a power reserve of 40 hours and 30 meters of water resistance. Overall, it's an impressive watch. If you get an option of the Seiji or Toki at retail, the Seiji is a definite winner. Not only is the shade a hot color right now, but you get more for the money. It's more limited and has a lacquer dial. Similar to the other watches as well, swapping the strap should be the top priority as always. And as always, like, subscribe, leave some comments below if you have any questions, and I will see you on the next video.